Alrighty, here we go. 2 boxes of SP game used for MNum. Good luck, sir. Here we go. First pack, Eric Goodbranson. Team Canada Fabrics. Mika Kiprasov. Authentic Fabrics. Zetterberg Cleary. Dual. Here's your auto. There's a good one. Chris Kreider. Authentic Rookie Auto. Chris Kreider. Man, it's falling apart. Another auto. Hakeem Alou. Authentic Rookie Auto. Solid rookie, yeah. One of the best in this. Number 12 of 27, Team Canada Fabrics Gold, Scott Niedermayer. Authentic Fabrics Gold, Team Canada. Number 2 is jersey, Scott Niedermayer. Brett Connolly, Team Canada Fabrics. Ginla Kiprasov, Dual. Dirty 2-color patch number 35, Marc-Andre Fleury. And should be ink in this one. Authentic Rookie Autograph, UC Rhinus. UC Rhinus.